Good morning, class. Today we are going to study about how the Himalayas are useful to us. Previously we studied that the northern mountains, they include the Karakoram range and the Himalayan mountain range. And we studied that Himalayas are still divided into three groups of mountains. The Greater Himalayas, the Himachal range, or you can say Middle Himalayas, and the Shivaliks. And today we are going to study that Himalayan mountains. These mountains over here, children, they help us in many ways. First of all, the Himalayan mountains over here, these mountains, they guard and our northern borders, and so they play a great role in the defense of India. That means these mountains are very huge, and the people from other countries cannot cross these huge mountains and come this side in the country. But still there are some narrow passes in these mountains. Narrow gaps are made in these mountains which the people can move across. And these mountain gaps, they are called passes. Some of the examples of passes are Khyber Pass, Bolan Pass. It is all over here, these passes, and they are being guarded by the Indian Army so that the aliens or the enemies cannot come inside our country. Now next one is these Himalayan mountains are very huge. I told you, very big in size. So the rain-bearing monsoon winds and clouds, when they are moving in this direction, suppose this my hand is acting as a mountain and the rain-bearing winds are moving in this direction. When they strike off the mountains, they start raining heavily over here in this region. It strikes the mountains and it starts raining in this area. So that is why this area gets a heavy shower of rainfall. So these mountains are very useful in this way for our country.